Most people think selling on LinkedIn is saturated and spammy. Let them think that. I've been doing this for 5 years for over 1,300 active clients at Cleverly, and I can tell you with 100% certainty that's false. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can get results. I'm talking like 5 to 30 leads a month on LinkedIn for real. Let's look at some real client results for examples here. I can go down this list as long as you want, but to start, here's Code Pro. They're a mobile app dev shop, extremely oversaturated on LinkedIn, but we found a way to make it work for them. This is 34 average replies a month, and this is a real review by them on Trustpilot, 5 stars. We are successfully swamped with new clients. I have so many leads. When I scroll down, 114 average replies a month. Cam and his team are exceptional at what they do. All different types of niches, from copywriting to SaaS to even health insurance. Very saturated, and these all explain the results. You can go to cleverly.co client results to look at that. Now, here's how we did it for these clients. I personally wrote this guide. I'm the CEO of Cleverly. This is everything that I suggest people do. You don't even have to hire us. You can just study this guide, which is the first thing on our blog. Okay, it's the first one, the top of our blog. But number one, you need a really, really good LinkedIn profile because it acts like a landing page. You need to constantly, every day, be sending connection requests and follow-ups, but not enough so you get in trouble, and not spammy so you get in trouble. You need to be writing and posting LinkedIn posts, commenting and engaging with your audience. And then you need to scale this into a sales process with good follow-up. All 4 of these things have to be true for you to get leads on LinkedIn. You can't just do one of these. Yeah, and that kind of brings me to the main problem people have with LinkedIn outreach and failing to get leads is really boils down to 6 things. Number 1, you're overly salesy. Number 2, your LinkedIn profile sucks. Number 3, your targeting list is spray and pray, so you don't actually use Sales Navigator to build niche by niche lists, like real niches. And you have no sales follow-up process. So your offer sucks. You're not getting someone's email. You're not following up with them relentlessly. And you're not replying to people right away. All of these things have to be true to get leads. And thankfully, our agency, if you don't want to do this, again, I teach you exactly how here, exactly how with examples, scripting, everything. But if you want us to do everything for you at a high volume, then I suggest booking a call with my team, because we're a fully done for you service that builds your targeting list, writes your copy, and sends outreach for you and people at your company. And we're even responding to leads for you. So go ahead and book a free consultation with my team, and we'll show you how. You can click the link below or in this video, or go to cleverly.co to book that call.